Hey Vivan, are you looking to lose about 10 kilos in the next 2 months? Then ask me how. Don't we come across this line way too often in your SMSs and a lot of advertisements and even a lot of people endorsing the same? Have you tried these methods or planning to do this? Then you got to watch this video. So today I'm going to talk about meal replacements and juice diets for weight loss. This is Aruna Prasad, your nutritionist. Now to begin with, let's first start with meal replacements. So like we all know, these are some powders which has calorie, protein, fat and all the essential nutrients is what they say. Basically everything that your food plate would offer, they say that it is made in the form of a powder which is supposed to have it with water or milk or whatever and have this in place of your breakfast or lunch or dinner or 2 meals, 3 meals, whatever it is. Now, so let me just give you a small story behind this. So, I was introduced to a meal replacement by one of my roommates during my college days in the hostel. So, she looked gorgeous yet wanted to lose a little more weight. So, she started having these meal replacements. What happened was, she replaced two of her meals, and then lunch she was just barely eating any food. Also it was hostel food, which we all already know that it may not be great in terms of the nutritional quality, or it wouldn't be balanced. You also may not get enough of food at times when you have to share it with so many other students. So at the end of about 2 weeks or so, she actually got so severely dehydrated with a lot of vomiting, nausea, low energy, fatigue, and loosies that we actually had to get her admitted to the hospital and get her some electrolytes loaded and things like that. Now, why I want to tell you this story is that we do not realize the damage that we are doing by following something wrong immediately. That's the not so good part about food and exercise, that even if you're doing the right thing, it wouldn't show up immediately. Even if you're doing the bad thing, the damage doesn't show up immediately. That's the biggest problem. Now, coming back. So, a lot of people do believe that, replacing your breakfast or dinner, because you eat a heavy dinner or you eat a heavy breakfast, or, by replacing them with such things would actually lose weight. These are one category of people. Now, there are another category of people where they feel these replacement powders are very synthetic and artificial, but they want to lose weight, probably pick up a quick fix and also do it more natural. So that's when they probably resort to the second most sought after strategy for weight loss, which is the juice diet. Okay. Now a lot of companies have started coming up with these fancy bottles where they say drink these juices for the next 5 days, 10 days, you lose these many kilos, your skin clears up, you get more lighter, etc. Now, what happens with these? They also say they're cold pressed, no added sugar, preservatives, etc., etc. Now, what happens with both the cases is that because you're on some liquids, you're following a program, and it's for a very, very short duration of time, you tend to stay off your favorite food, be it healthy or unhealthy. Second, you also tend to drink a lot more of water because these liquids make you drink and you're naturally loading up on your water intake, or because you just want to curb your hunger and not eat anything else, so you end up drinking more water. So because of these reasons, you naturally have better skin only for that short period of time when you're following the plan. And also, it's a no-brainer that we all tend to lose weight. This doesn't require any expert, guys. If you just go off food, like stop eating, anybody would lose weight. That's just it. There is nothing else. There's no big scientific formula there. What happens? What are the repercussions of following something like this? My first biggest problem with such diets is that it throws you off your fitness levels. So if you were a person who was exercising before you started such programs and developed certain muscle strength and endurance and all that takes a hit. Your muscle memory is lost because you just cannot exercise on such programs without enough energy. Also, because these programs will kind of make you lazy and tell you that, you don't really have to exercise and do, break a sweat or anything. So you naturally don't exercise for that period of time, then your muscle memory is lost. You get back to the square one of your fitness level. So that's the biggest problem. Next, Because your skin issues were not addressed at the grassroots level. It could be the micronutrient deficiency, it could be the wrong foods causing it, or a poor lifestyle management. You will have problems with your acne and skin again. Thirdly, third and fourth repercussions of such crash diets are that you will have extremely high levels of food craving. It could be sugary food or fatty food, salty food, any of those. And the fourth is that you will actually end up eating a lot more in terms of the portion than what you were eating earlier. The third and fourth reason, obvious, because you were just deprived of food for that period of time. It's like if we were deprived of watching television during exam time, we would probably end up watching a couple of hours extra after the exams got over, right? It was all because of the deprivation. Just the similar way. That is how the human mind works. So because you were deprived of it, you just start belting food and eating a lot more than what you were earlier eating, or probably what more than you are supposed to be eating. So these are the biggest problems. Now, who can be on a juice diet or only on a liquid diet? If you are having any sort of medical condition and the doctor has specifically advised the person to be on a liquid diet, only then you go on a liquid diet. Otherwise, don't do liquids or just one banana a day or a kaddu soup or apple diets. All of these, they do not work, because you will probably, your weight will come back with vengeance. All the weight that you have lost will just come back because of all the reasons that I just mentioned. I hope this video was useful. If you are looking for any specific reviews on any latest diet trends or whatever, do let me know in the comment section below. If you are going wrong with the way you're approaching your weight loss, and if you're doing some common mistakes, what are they? Look up for that in the video that I have spoken already. The description box has the link for the same. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to my channel and do share this video with your family and friends. Thank you so much.